and welcome to CBM Tools YouTube channel. CBM Tools is a family-owned company specializing in automotive, industrial tools and equipment. This channel's focus is going to be reviewing new tools from the top manufacturers in the industry. If you like what you see, please go to cbmtools.com and use CBM10 to get 10% off your first order. So why we're here today, the brand new Milwaukee 2967-20, replacing the 2767-20, which has been the flagship half-inch impact for Milwaukee for many years. We're going to show a side-by-side right now. So as you saw, and the biggest thing that people ask is, what is the torque? 1,200 foot-pounds fastening, 1,600 foot-pounds of breakaway or nut-busting torque. That is if you have the 1861 forged battery. You do not get those torque settings with just your standard 5.0 or 6.0 battery. Also, you probably notice smaller, 2% shorter than the previous model. Great for, tight spaces. Everything's getting smaller. So having things smaller with more power, it's a great option. You also get the tri-LEDs from Milwaukee. You've seen them on other models like the 2962. Now on the half-inch impact, the 2967. It also showcases the patented battery isolation system. This allows your battery connectivity to stay secure during impacting, and it also protects your battery. So, anytime you can isolate the impact from your battery casing and ensures longevity of those very expensive batteries. So today we're going to test the breakaway torque against the 2867 here. We're going to use the 2867 is a 1-inch impact, and we're going to use the same forged battery. So let's torque this down and then see how easy it is for the 2967 to break it away. Here we go. No sweat. So when it comes to 2967, the hype is real. Milwaukee has put out a great product. If you like what you see, go to cbmtools.com. Use that CBM10 for 10% off. If you like the video, please like it, subscribe. We'll see you next time.